When your back's against the wall, who you gonna call? Get down on your knees, see it through, give it your all. I done seen the dark side of life. What's crazy is now I see the light. And when I didn't resist what God was trying to show me, that's when I saw the light. In the middle of the night, in the middle of the fight, gloves on, I can never punch with God. Looking up in the sky, thinking about life, shit, why it gotta be so hard? But if I walk in this path, that's when it get easy. I know it might sound discouraging and it might sound confusing because you're going through a lot, but in the end, trust me, you should believe me. You don't need me. You just like to hear this voice. You hear yours on the inner side of your own self, but you still won't make the choice to do right. You ain't gotta do wrong. Dance to the rhythm of your own beat. Just don't make it in the end a sad song. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to make it to the top. It's okay to be successful. And you'll get there if you never stop. So believe in yourself like I believe in me. Like Donny Hathaway said, one day we'll all be free. Rap talk.